All right, these are the newer parking elevators here at the Dane County Airport here in Madison, Wisconsin. Got some Schumachers to ride. We get in this one. Let's go to 6. These are glass elevators. Here we go. Alrighty, here at 6. And believe it or not, these are actually MRL Tractions. Go to 1. Let's get a cab view. So they're just like the other the other elevators here, except these ones have 2-speed doors. White dotted matrix indicator. C's buttons. 35 punchable capacity. We'll go up on this one and we'll transfer at 6. We're gonna watch the indicator. Here back at 6. Sit it down. All right, now we're gonna ride the other one. Yeah, this is a newer. These elevators were a recent addition to the airport parking deck. This is the newer part of the parking deck. Over there, that's the original. Now, here's the other elevator. This one kind of smells. Interesting leveling. See if I can show you guys something up here. You can definitely tell these are MRL, judging by that motor up there. These are actually MRL. Now we'll go back down to 1 and end it. Send them back this time. These run pretty well for a pair of Schumacher MRL Tractions. These are my first MRL Tractions on Schumacher, and also my first white dot matrix indicator. Ring the bell, and it just called the other one. All right, there it goes. Might as well watch this one close too. There it goes. And that'll be it.